This video will introduce you to the advantages and specifications of linear Cherry MX switches. These include MX Red, MX Black and their silent variants, as well as MX Speed Silver.
Every linear switch from Cherry actuates in a straight line without resistance and therefore is suitable for fast and precise inputs.
The most popular linear switch at the moment is MX Red. With its actuation force of 45 cm and 2 mm of pre-travel, it meets the demands of many mechanical keyboard users.
MX Black kickstarted the era of Cherry MX. This was the first switch reproduced under the MX label. MX Black actuates with 60 cm of force and it's similar to MX Red.
MX Speed Silver though is a special variant, optimized for fast switching frequencies, especially for gaming. Similar to MX Red, but the pre-travel has been reduced from 2.0 to a mere 1.2 mm.
Another special type of linear switch are the two MX silent variants, Black and Red. In MX silent switches, the plunger consists of two components and has an integrated patented noise dampening system in the form of an elastomer that reduces the top out and the bottom out noise to a minimum. In terms of specifications, the two MX silent switches are virtually identical to MX Red and MX Black, but the pre-travel and the total travel were slightly reduced thanks to the additional components in the plunger.
Linear switches are especially interesting for gamers because the actuation is fast and precise. This means that professional gamers and FPS players can rely on high-frequency actuations without loss of input.
So this concludes our video about the Cherry MX linear switches.
So be sure to follow Cherry MX on social media and watch our next and our latest videos on our YouTube channel. Leave a comment if you have any questions and stay safe out there. Until then, see you later.